Here I have an Alpha2020x solar light that I'm going to install. It's a very good light as far as puts out 2500 lumens at full brightness. It has a dim mode, a couple of dim modes you can choose from just by pushing the button. And I've had a good success with one on the building a little over a year now, and they've requested a second one for extra security, so I'm going to place this one over another entrance. And right now what I'm going to do is open up this case and look at the battery, since it's supposed to be user replaceable, and see what it will take in the event that, you know, comes time where I need to do that. Let me get the gasket back in place. Okay, so yeah, it's a 3.7 volt, 15 amp hour battery. It's got a plug. So it looks like you don't have to do any, you know, funky soldering or cutting or anything to make it happen. So I'm gonna put this back together for now. But it looks like it's something very doable. Here's the hardware that comes with solar light. I won't be needing these, but I'm going to use these to mount it where it's going. The mount could go on a pole, it's bent, but also it's got a little indentation to wrap around a pole, but also it can go on flat surfaces too. So I'm going to mount this on a flat surface here, and then the wing nuts, what they'll do is they're going to go in and lock it, angle in place. It's fairly heavy unit. I don't know, 4 or 5 pounds maybe a couple pounds more. But like I said, I got one in place for a little over a year, and it is doing well. Here's the mount installed. Notice you have variable positions that you can set your angle at. You put a little wing nut bolt through to hold it in its desired angle, and plenty of depth. This is a good, what, 1.5 inch piece of metal. The back is all business, all solar, and this mount is a little, I don't know how you would describe it, but it does the job. There's one, if you look straight across the way, if I can zoom in, there's one that's been there since last October, before October of 18, and this is January of 20. I'm going to check that one out and see how it looks, but I've driven by at night and it still works just as intended. I set it for the low the low constant night light, and then I turn it up for motion. And here it is from the ground. It's about 10 feet, 9 to 10 feet off the ground. As you can see, the motion sensor is well protected from the sun. It's on the bottom, and like I said in earlier, another video, how much I like that. I don't want sun fogging up with the UV damage, the housing for that. Push this button once, and maybe you can see that it's green. Okay, that means that it will stay on like half power from dusk to dawn. Next one's blue. Blue means it will stay on low all the time, and when motion's detected, it will go full power. Red means it's off until motion's detected, and it goes full power, and off is off. So I'm going to go to green, blue, and here's a closer up view of the one that's been out for 15 months. Looks like the housing for the battery is yellowed a little bit, but yeah, there's no signs of rust, and it still works. I'll see if I can swing by here sometime and get some night night shots of the light in operation, because, you know, hey, that's what we're all after, right? Here's a light that's been up for 16 months as of tonight. That's full brightness from sensing motion. I'm zoomed in pretty hard. I'm about 40 feet away from it, 35, 40 feet away, and it's kicked on bright. Now it slowly dims, and it's going to go down to about 300 lumens, and full brightness is 25. As I walk closer, you see it kicks on full brightness, and it lights up the area really good. It is, the entrance to the building is lit very well. And here's the new light, about 40 feet away. Walk a little closer, the tree's in the way a little bit there. That's 300 lumens, like a dim, and then it brights to 25. Ooh, yeah, that's good. And it lights up the entrance really well. And it stays lit for about 30 seconds before it dims from not sensing motion. And this picked up the car pulling in. I was a good 50 feet away, easy, and it picked up the car pulling up. And here's a shot of one, and way down is the other one, right there. So if you're interested in these lights, I like them because it's an all-in-one package. It has the features that I will like, the modes that I like, and it's got good range, a lot of battery power, and like I said, there it goes, it dims. It keeps an area well lit. Motion sensor, I mean, the one at the end down there, like I said, 15 months, and 16 months, excuse me. And the sensitivity has not changed, and the light looks nice and bright, so it's a nice package.